In this video, we'll walk you through how to import projects in Qlik Talend Data Integration. Select Import a Project and browse to the location where your exported project is stored. Projects can be imported in .zip or .json formats. Set the project properties for the new project. You can change the project name if desired. In Space, select the space where you want to add the project. In Data Platform, you can change the project's data platform and its connection. Changing connection is required if you imported a project from another tenant, or if you changed the data platform in the previous step. Otherwise, you can select an existing connection. When done, click Next. In Default Project Settings, you can add a prefix to all schemas created in the project using Prefix for All Schemas. This is useful if the imported project is in the same cloud data warehouse as the exported project. When done, click Next. In Task Settings, you can replace the imported source connections or cross-project sources. This step is required if you imported a project from another tenant. When you are ready, click Import. The project is added to Data Integration Home, and that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.